Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue without an oven. First, you'll need a heat-proof bowl and a saucepan for a double boiler setup. Combine your egg whites and sugar in the bowl. Place it over simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Whisk constantly until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture is warm to the touch. This gentle heating is crucial for stability. For this recipe, you'll typically use 2 large egg whites and about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. A pinch of cream of tartar, around 1/4 teaspoon, is highly recommended to help stabilize the meringue. Once your sugar is dissolved and the mixture is warm, remove it from the heat. Transfer it to a stand mixer or use a hand mixer, whipping on high speed until you achieve firm, glossy peaks. For the best results, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and completely free of any grease. Even a tiny speck of egg yolk can prevent your egg whites from whipping properly. Continue whipping until the meringue is very stiff and holds its shape beautifully. When you lift the whisk, the peaks should stand tall and firm, indicating it's ready. Once your no-bake meringue is ready, you can immediately pipe or spoon it onto your favorite desserts. It's perfect for topping lemon meringue pie, fruit tarts, or even just a bowl of fresh berries. This method creates a wonderfully light and airy texture that's sure to impress. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, oven-free meringue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.